Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you have any questions, just call in and ask for the coach. Today we're taking a look at this Winnebago 29VE 2018. Really a great little Class A motorhome. Let's go inside and take a look around. Privacy door here, window in the back, nice queen size bed with storage on each side. TV here, lots of closet space. You can see that. We've got 3 doors here. We've got an extra table stored here that goes between the front 2 seats. Look at all the drawers here down below. All right, moving in here, we've got pantry space, 2-door refrigerator, freezer up above, refrigerator down below. Across the hall here, big bathroom with lots of storage and a big shower. Let me get a shot of that shower for you. And we're going to move on down the line here into the living area. Okay, we've got an oven, gas oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, storage up above, lots of drawers, storage down below, perfect spot for a garbage can, 2 stainless steel sinks, and a sprayer. Look at the size of this TV. Here's our dinette. Really like this setup. Across from the dinette, you've got a couch. You can easily sit, 6-7 people in here. Up above, we've got our drop-down extra bed. Okay, that makes it nice. If you got extra sleeping, this is going to come down. There's a ladder that hooks up to this. I'm going to drop it down real quick so you can see. Real fast and easy, just the push of a button, folks. Never know when you're going to take those grandkids or extra people with you. As we move into the cockpit, we've got a desk here for the co-pilot. You've got levelers on this coach. You've got, side cameras, backup cameras, really comfortable seats. This is a Winnebago, good quality coach. These Class A's have a ton of storage. Here's your side cameras. Okay, electric awning, push a button, comes in and out. This coach comes with a nice Aussie grill, barbecue. You're set, you're ready to go. Look at the size of the storage underneath here. Here's your outdoor TV. Look at the size of that, makes it fun. This coach is equipped with speakers on the outside for your TV. Also, you've got a outdoor kitchen. So you've got storage here, more drawers, storage over here on this side also. Even a spot here for extra cold beverages with ice. As we move around to the back of the coach, here's a quick coupler. So you just hook your propane right there, put your table with your barbecue right there. All hooked up to tow. There's your backup camera and ladder on this coach. Moving around this side, this coach is also equipped with a 4,000 awning generator. There's your electric, more storage. Over here, there's your clean out. Everything you need right there. More storage up above. And easy access to your propane. Folks, if you have any questions about this 29VE or any other coach at Guaranty, please give me a call. Ask for the coach, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.